Hello everyone, I am Nikan Goyal, the trainer and instructor in the Network Homes, and today we are going to discuss about Palo Alto Firewall, the most important tools as a device in the cybersecurity and network security. So what is firewall? A firewall is a simple tool which is monitor and control the traffic of the network while it is incoming or outgoing. So inside that we have lots of different firewall. Maybe you heard about some other series also like what Checkpoint or FortiGate or FTD. But here we are discussing about Palo Alto as a cybersecurity. So why Palo Alto Firewall is a big deal in a cybersecurity? So we have some key features that we are going to discuss. So first one is what? Application ID. In a Palo Alto Firewall, we have the features called application filtration or also known as a App ID in the SOT. So what is that? In the next generation firewall of Palo Alto, it is not just a filtering based on the IP address or port number, but we have the option to secure the data with the layer 4, layer 5 things, or let's say user content. If you have little bit idea about OSI layer, then there are lots of things which is not part of only networkings. Okay, so if you have some user data or let's say you have some other files, user are sending some malicious content or anything, then it is also able to filter, monitor or control by the next generation firewall in the Palo Alto with the features of App ID. Second option we have, that is a user ID. Let's say sometime what we have best features with the source and destination IP, and also we discuss like application based we can do filtration. But what nowadays user are start working remotely. In lots of company work from home also allow and hybrid work also allow. So in that case user IP address keep changing. So based on only IP address we are not able to take a decision. Or sometimes let's say we take a decision but second day, third day IP different, and again we need to keep changing policy. That is not a centralized management kind of security policy. Okay, so what we need to do? We need to understand that features, that is user ID, where Palo Alto Firewall are able to filter the data based on the username, user ID, so that even user are accessing company data, company server from the different location or different IP address, then also we are able to filter. Third features we have, that is a threat prevention. Now let's say we already discussed like we can filter with the user data, user ID, but let's say is that user data is not a normal file, but let's say there is some malicious file, okay, like a virus or malware if you have little bit idea. Otherwise, let's say if I give example, normal text file or PDF file or Word file, Excel file, that is a normal daily use data. But nowadays we have some high level hacking tools where we can hide some malicious thing inside the regular file. Some topic maybe you have idea like a steganography, or maybe let's say encapsulation, or let's say compression, encryption. So nowadays we are able to change the file type also. So only just data verification or let's say content verification, that things if we able to check with the malicious things, then it is better. So Palo Alto, they have some other cloud based verification process like antivirus but with the next generation. Sometime maybe you heard about the sandbox, or here we have Palo Alto separately that things which is able to send the data to the cloud and verify by the cloud, and then later it will give the decision that it is a malicious data or not. Maybe you can connect one more topic like a zero-day attack or zero trust security. In that also what, let's say firewall receiving data which is not able to verify, which is not able to check what kind of data it is, then it is checked in the isolation environment and it will take the decision. So that kind of three main key features we have in the Palo Alto Firewall, which is making a difference in the cybersecurity world. So in next video, we are going to see practically that how we can create a security policy, security rules with the basic from the scratch to the advanced. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next practical video. Stay tuned and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.